Vocals was very vocal during my last video. This is my bird. Vocals. Let me get her sister. This is Guitar, and she is a 4-month-old baby cockatiel. She has a leg situation that we need to take care of, but she does so well despite it. She's such a good girl. Oh, there's her sister. They are both cockatiels, and I have had them since they were when they first came out of their mother as an egg, and I incubated them in an incubator, and then I had baby fed them and got them this far. I had others and had lost some of them despite my best efforts. She was like, I could give you guys something to look at. Look at that cuteness. Guitar's like, well, what about me? I'm cute too. You are. You are a good girl. I named her Guitar because when she was a baby, to try and fix her legs, I would use this like pipe cleaner and like string her legs in this way. So I always kind of associated it to stringing a guitar, and that's how she got her name Guitar. And Vocals got her name because she was so vocal when she was a baby, and she was so loud and deep. And now, as you know, as she's been growing up, she's so soft spoken. She can, she does let herself be known, but she's like, yep, I'm Miss Sassy Pants, in case you didn't know. They're such good girls. I just thought I'd share them some tonight. They're getting so big, and then they've been jumping on the floor a lot lately. They love the floor recently.